Hello, Mez. Hello, Mez. Hello, Mez. Oh, what do we got here? What's on the stock for today? It's an Hermès unboxing with a bag. A bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike. I'm a fashion freak. I go here at GEEK, a luxury level, shop all she shit. And today's video is an Hermès unboxing. Hermès unboxing. We got 1, 2, and the big one. This is part 6 or 7 or 8 of my Hermès journey working for my Birkin that I've been doing for the past year or so. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? Okay. I'm gonna put these down because there's too many. All right. So I'm gonna try to keep this one brief too, because I'm gonna try to keep this as brief as possible. I have a job interview in 30 minutes. It's over Zoom, but like whatever. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:35 a.m.
Okay, great. Let's get going. All right, so I went in again. I went in for the men's. They had the men's like launch of their new lines and like fall stuff, and it was basically like preview, and they like invited you to come see all of the men's clothing line. So I went in to go see my essay, do the whole thing, you know, and also see what their new stuff was. They had some cool stuff. I'll insert some videos. If I didn't already do a shopping vlog about this, I'll insert some videos. I didn't really love anything at all, actually. Like they had this sweater that I like, the hoodie this like, but I don't like that it doesn't have pockets, and maybe that's just me, but I just have to have the pockets. Maybe it's my high school. Maybe it's my like growing up with those pockets, things like that in my hoodies when you always like had the like sports high school, like sports team hoodies or like whatever club hoodies and stuff for high school. I didn't like it, but I felt bad not getting anything because I was there, and you shouldn't feel bad. I shouldn't, but I do. And I like have like that, like whatever, I have people pleaser and I want people to like me and I can't not. So I like was like, all right, I'll just get something. So I bought one shirt. It's not even from the fall collection. It's not even from the fall line. It's something I've already tried on. I didn't even really like, and I didn't even really want, and I already have it in another color, but I already have it in another color, and I have it in this color in the t-shirt form. But I just felt like I couldn't not get anything, and he was helping me so much, and it was like an hour, and like this was like a $400 shirt, and like that's, I don't even know what his commission on that is, but like it's not even $40 probably. So I felt bad. Quick story time. I came early, looked around, saw what I wanted to see, and then talked to him for a little bit. We tried on some things, looked at some other things. I didn't really like any of the things that I tried on, and I felt kind of bad that I wasn't getting anything. So that's why I just ended up buying this. I felt bad not buying anything, which I shouldn't have. I should have just not if I didn't want to, but whatever. So I got this. I mean, it's not like I don't like it. It fits well. It's nice. It's cute. I'll wear it. It's not something I needed, right? But is it ever anything we need when we go? Debatable. Anyway, so I got that pink polo that I got in yellow, and I have this t-shirt in yellow as well, but it's cute. It's yellow. It has a little H pocket detail. Looks like that. And it's a size extra small, which is nice. And he held it aside for me. So that's the other thing. He's so sweet. He holds all the extra small sizes in a little cabinet for me, in a little drawer for me, because he knows I like to wear those. And there are not that many people, but there aren't also that many people that come in and want extra smalls, I guess. Men don't shop as much, obviously. Women shop a lot more there. It's just like statistics and numbers and stuff like that. Not, you know, whatever, not discrimination or whatever. So he does like I don't know if it's my drawer or like where they just keep all the extra smalls, but he like pulled out a few for me and he was like, I was holding these for you. So I was like, that's really thoughtful. And I do like this color. And it's like, I don't need it, but like, why not? You know, the little string came off. That's weird. It looked really good. I'll insert a video of me wearing it, but it fits really well. And you know, like I can always use another color polo. Maybe I'll wear it. Maybe I'll wear it in Paris when I go to Hermes and see if they offer me a yellow bag. Receipt for this. So then I bought it. I had a little credit, so I bought it, and like that was that. It was $365 plus tax, so $399. So $399.68, so it was $400. So that was that. That was real quick. I know, we're getting the bag, relax. And then I also asked him, this is really like snooty bougie. Here's the bag, just so you guys can see. This is really snooty bougie of me, but I asked him, because last time I went and I bought those, there's another receipt. Oh, that's for this. I bought those agenda covers and book covers and notebook things, but they didn't come in any boxes. They were just wrapped. But then the next time when I bought the chai one, which is in my previous videos, it came in a box. So I asked him for extra boxes, which he was so sweet and he gave me extra boxes. So these aren't actually in boxes. I mean, he wrapped them up again, but now they all have a little home, and they can all have a little home on my shelf because I like keeping everything in the box. I bought these like months ago. Still haven't used. This is my little red one, which I got monogrammed with my name. I'm gonna get them all monogrammed with my name, but I haven't. I want to make each time I go to get it monogrammed like a little thing, so I go and see him and like show my face and stuff like that, because it's just like a little quick thing. I'll probably end up buying something, but I'm trying not to always be buying there. But here, so this is my name, and it's got a little thing. It's like a little 3 notebook thing, and the tags are still on. So there's that one. I'm rushing through this, A, because I want to go fast, and B, because you guys know I talk too much. We'll find a home for him later. Okay, and then this one as well, which is in like a weird square box, even though it's not square. It doesn't really fit. of my this one. Also still unused. Also still so lovely. Still has the tags in. So this is my gold one. This is what Hermes gold looks like if you didn't know. I'm gonna actually take these out of the boxes because I don't need them in the box right now. So I should start using them. So I'm gonna start using them. And if I take them out of the box, then it's more likely that I'll use them. So he gave me a box for that and a box for that. And then I asked for a box for the chai one too because I brought the chai one too. And he was like, no, they'll kill me if I give it another box. So I already got 2 boxes for that one. Actually, technically, we should have got 2 boxes for each of these. One for the cover and one for the thing, but I didn't push it. Well, you can go there. Okay. And these guys, my interview's at 12, and I don't want to be late, so I'm gonna try to film this as fast as I can. I might have to break and come back. And then he just wrapped my chai one in paper, which was really nice. He's like, I don't want to just give it to you like that. You have to wrap it. This is my big chai one, which I love. It's so big. Still not used. I will eventually. I put my name on it. Okay, I think I'm gonna take these with me to France just to be like, look, I have this and I love chai and I love this color, and like have it with my initials. Because I also got, and I'll talk more about this, but I bought a card holder there and personalized it like with my name and picked the colors so it gets the little unicorn thing. And I'll talk more about that in another video, but like I just bought it so that I have something that I bought. It's Hermes online, so I don't know if it'll transfer to my purchase history, but at least I bought something and I had it. I bought something and I want it, and I had it to be picked up at the store at FSH. So I have something where I can literally just come in and say, hey, I'm here to pick up my thing, you know, so at least I can get in easier. And also it's like a leather thing, so maybe I can talk to a leather person and also like hopefully have a purchase history or whatever. We'll see if that works or not. But that way I can go in, have these personalized, show them that like I love Hermes and I like to personalize my stuff, help my chances, and being a guy, all that. Okay, anyway, here's my chai one. I love it. It feels so nice. It feels like, Okay, enough of that. Now to the main event. Now on to the main event. I am unboxing. So, story time again. My bag unboxing. So, last story time. Because, okay, so I went there for the men's event to get clothes. Didn't really like anything. Didn't get any clothes. Like I said, felt a little bad. So I bought, you know, whatever. I also, when I was trying on clothes, I was like, hey, do you have any bags? Do you have any, like, non-quota bags that I could look at? Like, I really wanted to get another Evelyn or look at a Lindy or, like, just something else that I could get to A, up my purchase history, B, get another bag, try out a different bag of Hermes and, like, you know, get my, like, feet wet and also just buy something. I didn't want to get something, I didn't want to have too much leather, obviously, because then that kind of deters them because maybe you have too much leather and they're like, oh, you don't have other categories. But I just was like, what do you have? What's available? Let me just take a look. I also had this beautiful backpack, which I guess doesn't count as leather, but I keep forgetting to bring my computer to make sure that it fits. And I like it, but I mean, I really want it, but I don't want it to be my next purchase. I want to wait and get my Birkin and then we'll talk about the backpack maybe later. But it had it in beautiful purple and I look at that. Anyway, so the box. So then I texted him. So I was like, hey, do you have any bags? And he's like, let me go check what we have. Then I didn't get anything, went to check out, paid for the thing. He texted me. I hadn't seen his text. So as we were walking out, I was like, hey, do you have any bags? Like, do you have any bags? Did you check if you have any bags? Do you have any Evelyns or anything? And he's like, did you not get my text? And I was like, no. He's like, we have a Garden Party 30 and a Verone. Oh no, I don't remember the name of it. Something with a V. It's a different bag with V. I will look it up. And I was like, oh, I didn't get your text. Yeah, let me see them. Let me see them both. So he goes to the back and he comes back with 2 boxes, this box and the other box. I tried them on and I got one. I was like, oh, I love this. Okay, I'll open it. I gotta go. I have a job interview at 12. I gotta prep for it. I will pop back on. Cut, Jane, cut. We'll be right back. Intermission. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry. Job interview went really well. Yay. Okay, so let's just do this unboxing. Okay. All right, got that. Shall we together? Hello. I decided to go with this one. Whoa. Hello, everything. It smells so nice in here. You guys, I love unboxings. So we got this, the little care booklet. It is a mess down here. You guys can't see it. It's a mouse. But it's the best kind of mess. It's the only kind of mess I like. I got this because I wanted one. It was so cute and it's so nice and it's like perfect for every day. I'm trying to shift a little bit more to get more Hermes, grow my Hermes collection, and I'm starting to really love this brand and move a little bit away from this, who I also really love. I have so much. I need to take a break from here. There's all other things I want to get. You know, I still want to get another Chanel bag. There's so many things I want to get. So I can't keep always just doing this. Anyway, I don't know that it counts towards leather because it's canvas too. I mean, maybe it does, but I got a Garden Party 30. So cute. It's so small. It's so cute and so small. It's a Garden Party 30 in Ecru and Noir. Negonda? I don't know how to pronounce that. Gonda leather with twill canvas ecru. It's got the 6 buttons. It's not got a strap. It's so cute, so small. It can go all the way here. The Gonda leather trims on the here, and on the bottom. Ecru toile canvas. It's a black and white garden party. 30, in the size 30. Look how cute it is. It's a little 30. I don't have a size 30 anything. I don't think. It's like a good day bag that's not too big and not too small. And I like that it's neutral. It's black and white. It's so neutral. So like I can literally, it's super understated and simple. I can just wear it, or I can dress it up with a twilly, make it a little colorful to match whatever I'm wearing, matching twilly, kind of give it a little color or a little bag charm. I think it's great for an everyday bag. I think this is gonna be great for me to take to France and show them that I'm an Hermes person. This and maybe one of my Evelyns, but I want to get another Evelyn, so I might not bring the Evelyn. But this definitely, it's simple, it's cute, and I, like when he showed it to me, I was like, yes, this is perfect. I mean, I can wear it, just carry it, you know, or I can wear it under the hutta. Might even fit my sleeve. Too much muscle, you know. Okay, all right. So it's a pretty simple, but it's a basic tote bag, but obviously with Hermes' amazing craftsmanship, and it's so cute, and it's, you know, it's 2,200, I think, plus tax. So great price point for Hermes, not, you know, in general, but with Hermes' craftsmanship, great entry-level bag to see if you're looking for an entry-level bag. Also really hard to come by. They don't always have these. The only thing I don't like, which I think most people say, is that it doesn't have any feet, because I do want it to be able to just put it down, not worry about the corners getting messed up, kind of like how these don't have any feet. But yeah, so it's got a snap. It's very minimal. There's literally only logos right here on the buttons. It's got one here and here, one on either side. Both sides are exactly the same. There's no difference, but it's snap locking. So, you know, it's secure, keep closed, and then open. That's what it looks like inside. It's just all black. That thingy. This is actually from this. I put it back in when I had already unboxed this, obviously, and I put it back together so I could do this unboxing. But this is because this came with mine, but he didn't give it to me. I put it on top. When I tried it on, I took it out, and then I put it on top of the box to like give it with me, but he didn't pack it with it. So, which was sad, because I like these things to keep a shape, you know. But actually, I think this pillow can do the same thing. No, it can't. It's too big. Well, anyway, let's see. So you can open both the buttons too. Oh yeah. I mean, it can. The pillow can go in like that to keep the shape if you want to keep it like that. Okay, that's good. So I'll keep it I'll store it like that. So this is what it looks like, open and full. I guess you can put an organizer in here too. But like it can fully open up, or you can do these. And then these little button closures also have, say, Hermes Paris on it. And they've got leather lining around them. So they've got leather lining around the button and with stitching to keep it in place. And then the bottom is leather, but the sides are black, twill, canvas, toil, whatever. And this is what it looks like when it's like halfway open. And this is kind of the shape what it looks like. And this is the shape when it's like that. It's a little, I mean, you can almost even like full tote it if you needed to. Oh, so it kind of can have a few different shapes. It can look like that full toted, which I don't know that I love the buttons kind of being open like that, but if you wanted it, that's what it would look, full open tote. And then it says Hermes there, and the little code is right there on the side stitching, which is leather too. Get up close. So yeah, it's got this like, it's got this leather here, and that's what it looks like inside, and close. Okay, I'm gonna dress it up. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the gist of it, you guys. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it's really cute. Right? I mean, come on. It's so cute. I need to find a place to put you. It's so cute. If you guys have any questions about this bag or the whole thing, anything like that, let me know. So yeah, so I got this bag, not even thinking about getting it. It was just kind of like a last minute thing, but I always wanted it. So, and it's a good thing. And now like my spending, I think I hit 18 at Hermes in US, Beverly Hills, which 18 with my sales associate. So basically now it's like now I'm there to the point, under my understanding, 18 is the point at which I'm able to be offered a bag, and I will get a bag, just waiting for the right bag to come in, basically wait for the right bag to come in. And my specs are 25, 30, or 35 Birkin in chai, a Birkin in chai, or a Kelly in chai, 28, 32. So 25, 30, or 35 Birkin, or 28 or 32 in chai. But we'll see what I get in Paris first, because I'm probably gonna get that first before I get something here. But I'm on track to wait to hear and hopefully be offered something soon. So hopefully I get one there and one here. So I get two at the same time. That might be a lot on my bank account and on me. But we love it. It has the same little button closure. Oh my god, this fits perfectly inside. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take this with me and see what they say. But I'm really excited. It's just like it's a nice neutral. It's understated. It's simple. It's cute, but also like flashy and like, you know. And I can't wait to wear it around town. It's like a daily bag. I wish it had a strap. I really wish it had a strap. I know some of them do come with a strap. I wish it had a strap so I could do the thing because they do love a good crossbody. What are you gonna do? I can't get everything, right? Or can I? Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much.